Hello parents, welcome to Kids A to Z. Today I am sharing some English worksheets for class 1. First start with alphabetical order. Here some words are given and kids need to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Like at first they need to write boat, then door, then jug, then kite, and at last they need to write monkey. Second worksheet. Rearrange the words to form meaningful sentences. Put capital letters and full stops wherever required. So after rearranging, for the first one the answer is the cat sat on the mat. Here kids need to write the first letter of the sentence in capital letter and they need to put a full stop at the end. For the second sentence, and the answer is the sun shines in the sky. Here again they need to start the sentence with a capital letter and at the end they need to put a full stop. Similarly, the third one is the dog is in the tub, and the last one is Rita loves red apples. Here again they need to start with capital letter and at the end they need to put a full stop. Match the following to make complete sentences. Here kids need to match column A with column B. Like the first one is we saw a rainbow. They need to match it with in the sky. Here they can match these two columns with a line, or they can also write the number beside each sentence in column B. Like beside in the sky they can write number 1. For the second one, the children are playing in the park. Third one, ships sail on the sea. Number 4, birds lay eggs. Answer is in the nest. Number 5, the grass is green. Number 6, bread is made of flour. Number 7, my mother cooks tasty food for me. Next worksheet, unscramble the words and write them in the blanks. So here at first kids need to unscramble the words and then they need to write them in the blanks. Like for the first one the answer is the dog is chewing bones. Second one, a bird is sitting on the tree. Number 3, I am going to school. Number 4, fish swims in water. Number 5, an aeroplane is flying in the sky. Number 6, the clouds are grey in color. Rewrite the sentences using capital letter, exclamation mark and question mark. So for the first one, they need to start the sentence with the capital letter. Then they need to write the I in capital letter and at the end they need to write question mark. So may I borrow your pencil, like that. For the second one, they need to start the sentence with the capital letter and also they need to write the capital I for India and at the end they need to put question mark. For the third one, they need to start the sentence with the capital letter and at the end they need to put an exclamation mark. Number 4, they need to start the sentence with capital letter and at the end they need to put an exclamation mark. For number 5, they need to start the sentence with capital letter and at the end they need to put question mark. Next worksheet, circle the nouns in each group and write any two of them in the blanks. Here kids need to circle all the nouns in each row and they can write any two nouns in the blanks. Like for the first row, they need to circle pillow, then goat, then library. And they can write any two, maybe pillow or goat, in the blank. For the second row, they need to circle boy, then desk, then box. For the third row, they need to circle lamp, then kite, then song and dress. Then for the fourth row, they need to circle dance, then rug, then water, then pencil and also book. For the fifth row, then into circle, bag, then snow, then mat and towel. And from the last row, then into circle, sky, then monkey, girl and sun. Change the following words from one to many. So in the first box, they need to write plural form of some nouns that do not change, like ship, furniture, then luggage. Actually, these words like ship, furniture, luggage, aircraft, deer, cattle, they do not change in the plural form. So, in one and many, the answer will be same, like ship, ship, furniture, furniture, luggage, luggage, like that. And for the second box, we can see that few words completely changes when they changed from one to many. Like for man, under many, they need to write men. For child, plural form will be children. Woman, women. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Like that. Fill in the blanks with the correct feminine pair given in the box. Here they need to write the opposite gender using the words given in the box. Like for the first one, for fox they need to write vixen, then drake, duck, king, queen, dog, bitch, man, woman, actor, actress, cock, hen, drone, bee, tiger, tigress, stag, hind. Write the correct article a, an or the in each sentence. So for the first one, dash igloo is made of ice. So here they need to write an. For the second one, dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So the answer is an. Third one, this is dash pretty dress. Answer is a. Number 4, he is dash fire fighter. Answer is a. Number 5, I need to buy dash umbrella. Answer is an. Number 6, dash suitcase is heavy. Answer is the. Question number 7, dash class went on a field trip. Answer is the. Question number 8, I ate dash egg for breakfast. Answer is an. Question number 9, he is dash best footballer in the world. Answer is the. Question number 10, I work in dash office. Answer is an. Next question, can you pass dash salt please? Answer is the. Next question, we saw dash elephant at the zoo. Answer is an. Next worksheet, circle the correct pronoun in each sentences. So for the first one, they need to circle I, that is I have a frog named Bob. Second one, when I play in the rain, he or him comes with me. Answer is he. Question number 3, sometimes my mom lets we or us play in the mud. Answer is us. Number 4, we or us jump in the puddles and make big splashes. Answer is we. Fill in the blanks with correct opposites. Here we can see a line under rich, so they need to write the opposite of rich. So the answer is poor. The king is rich but the farmer is poor. For the second one, Rina is happy but her brother is sad. Question number 3, Rachel has curly hair but Michelle has dash hair. Answer is straight. Question number 4, the red box was dash but the blue box was light. Answer is heavy. Next question, the knife is blunt. Give me a dash one. Answer is sharp. Next question, we inhale oxygen and dash carbon dioxide. Answer is exhale. Question number 7, The rabbit ran fast, but the tortoise was dash. Answer is slow. Write the correct article before each noun. So before igloo, they need to write an, then a tiger, a banana, a tree, the sun, an inch, a bench, the moon, an owl, and eagle. Next one, circle the correct article in each sentence. So for the first one, John wanted to read an or a book. Answer is a. Second question, the class went on a trip. For question number 3, they need to circle an. Question number 4, Lisa put an orange in her bag. Next question, did you see the fireworks? Next question, the dog caught a stick. Question number 7, turn off the lights. Question number 8, I quickly ate the cookies. Fill in the blanks using the correct pronouns from the box. So for the first one, answer is she. Question number 2, answer is he. For question number 3, answer is I. Question number 4, answer is it. Question number 5, answer is they. Next question, answer is you. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. First one, answer is. Next question, answer is am. Third one, the school bell is ringing. Number 4, Twinkle and Sia are cousins. Number 5, how are you going home today? Number 6, Rini is playing in the garden. Number 7, I am eating an apple. Number 8, these books are very good. Number 9, the bee is buzzing. Number 10, cows are grazing in the field. Number 11, we are in the same class. Number 12, I am reading a book. That's all for now. If you like this video, then please subscribe Kids A to Z for more worksheets and learning videos. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.